In this class we will learn how to use the command Fillet, which makes it possible to create rounding and is very useful for finishing templates and removing living corners. Open the available file and let's get started. We click on the command Fillet and with the option Constant Radius active, enter the value 5 mm and select the edges shown. With the full preview option enabled, we have the preview displayed and confirm the command, applying rounding to the selected edges. We have reactivated the command and the variable radius option, which allows you to set different values to round the same edge. We select the edge and observe the points shown. Just click on the point, type the desired radius value in the box and press enter. We modify as shown and confirm the command. Now let's apply rounding with the option Face Fillet active. We select a face for each checkbox, which should form a corner, inform the radius value and see the preview. It is important to note that we can only select one face for each box, and to create other face rounding, it is necessary to reapply the command. We confirmed, and now let's get to know the option Full Round Fillet, for which we need to select 3 faces, according to the order shown on the icons. Each selection must be made in a box and the radius value is set automatically. A very interesting feature is the Fillet Expert, found in this tab of the Fillet command, which allows you to apply various rounding. Selecting the entity, setting the value and clicking Apply. Each time we click Apply, a new Fillet feature is added to the feature manager. An important tip when using the Fillet command is that if the preview is not shown, you should check that the No Preview option is active and click Full Preview. If the preview is still not shown, decrease the value you entered, or as a last option, check the selected entities. Rounding using the Fillet command contributes to increasing the file size. So whenever possible they should be applied as the last step in modeling, or preferably created in sketches. We have seen in this class how to use the command Fillet, very important to create detail in pieces and remove the living corners, which are essential in the design of any model.